Have you ever wondered if the secrets to vibrant health might be hidden in ancient wisdom? For thousands of years, long before modern medicine, a system of healing flourished in India, a system that saw the body, mind, and spirit as one interconnected whole. This is the story of Ayurveda and its surprisingly scientific approach to natural healing. Today, we're journeying back in time to uncover the ancient remedies of Ayurveda. This isn't just about herbal teas and old traditions. We're going to explore the surprising science that's now beginning to validate what Ayurvedic practitioners have known for centuries. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of natural healing. So, what exactly is Ayurveda? The word itself comes from Sanskrit, Ayur, meaning life, and Veda, meaning knowledge or science. So, it's literally the science of life. At its core, Ayurveda teaches that health is a state of vibrant balance, and that the universe is made of 5 elements: space, air, fire, water, and earth. These 5 elements combine in the human body to form 3 life forces or energies, called doshas. You might have heard of them: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata is the energy of movement, associated with space and air. Pitta is the energy of digestion and metabolism, linked to fire and water. And Kapha is the energy of structure and lubrication, connected to water and earth. According to Ayurveda, each of us has a unique mix of these 3 doshas, with 1 or 2 usually being more dominant. This unique combination is our Prakriti, our fundamental constitution. It's like our personal health blueprint, influencing everything from our body type and personality to our susceptibility to certain illnesses. A Vata-dominant person might be energetic, creative, and thin, while a Kapha type might be calm, grounded, and have a sturdy build. Does any of that sound familiar? The goal of Ayurveda is to maintain the balance of your specific dosha combination. When your doshas are in harmony, you feel great, but when they get out of balance due to things like stress, poor diet, or even the changing seasons, that's when health issues can arise. An imbalanced vata might lead to anxiety and dry skin. Excess pitta can cause inflammation and irritability, and too much kapha might result in sluggishness and congestion. This is where the ancient remedies come in. Ayurveda uses a holistic toolkit to restore balance. This includes diet, lifestyle adjustments, herbal medicine, yoga, meditation, and detoxification practices. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Treatments are tailored to your unique diet. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds interesting, but is there any real science behind it? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's take a look at one of Ayurveda's most famous herbs, turmeric. For centuries, Ayurveda has praised turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties, and guess what? Modern science agrees. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Countless studies have shown its potential benefits for everything from joint pain to brain health. Another incredible Ayurvedic herb is ashwagandha. It's known as an adaptogen, which is a fancy way of saying it helps your body adapt to and manage stress. In Ayurveda, it's used to calm the mind and rejuvenate the body. Scientific research now backs this up, showing that ashwagandha can significantly reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol. It's like nature's chill pill. But Ayurveda's wisdom goes beyond just herbs. Let's talk about diet. Ayurveda emphasizes eating fresh, whole foods that are appropriate for your dosha and the current season. It teaches the concept of Agni, or digestive fire. A strong Agni means you can efficiently digest food and absorb nutrients, while a weak Agni leads to indigestion and the buildup of AMA or toxins. Modern science is catching up to this idea with the study of gut health. We now know that a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall well-being, affecting everything from our immune system to our mood. The Ayurvedic principles of eating mindfully, choosing easily digestible foods, and using spices like ginger and cumin to stoke the digestive fire are all ways to support a healthy gut. It's a 5,000-year-old approach to what we now call gut-brain axis health. And what about lifestyle? Ayurveda places huge importance on daily routines, or diet. This includes things like waking up early, scraping your tongue to remove toxins, practicing oil pulling for oral health, and getting to bed at a reasonable hour. It might seem simple, but these routines help to synchronize our bodies with the natural rhythms of the day. This aligns perfectly with modern research on circadian rhythms, our internal body clocks. We now know that maintaining a consistent sleep-wake cycle and daily routine is vital for hormonal balance, energy levels, and long-term health. Once again, ancient wisdom and modern science are telling the same story. Meditation and yoga are also integral parts of the Ayurvedic lifestyle. These aren't just for flexibility or relaxation. In Ayurveda, they are powerful tools for balancing the doshas and calming the mind. For example, a fast-paced vinyasa flow might be great for a sluggish kapha type, while a calming, grounding practice would be better for an anxious vata type. The science on meditation's ability to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve focus is extensive. It physically changes the brain for the better, proving that these ancient mind-body practices have profound physiological effects. So, how can you start incorporating a little Ayurvedic wisdom into your life? It doesn't have to be complicated. Start small. Maybe it's beginning your day with a warm cup of lemon water to kickstart your digestion. Or perhaps it's trying to eat your main meal at midday when your digestive fire is strongest. You could also try adding some turmeric or ginger to your cooking. A simple first step is to learn about your own dosha. There are many simple quizzes you can find online, or for a more accurate assessment, you can consult with a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner. Understanding your unique constitution is the key to unlocking personalized health recommendations that truly work for you. It's about learning to listen to your body and give it what it truly needs to thrive. The beauty of Ayurveda is that it empowers you. It teaches you to be an active participant in your own health journey. It's not just about treating symptoms, it's about creating a lifestyle that fosters balance, vitality, and true wellness from the inside out. It reminds us that nature has provided us with a powerful pharmacy and that the simplest daily habits can have the most profound impact on our health. As we continue to explore the frontiers of medicine, it's incredible to see how much we can learn by also looking back. Ayurveda offers a timeless, holistic framework that complements modern science beautifully. It's a testament to the idea that true health is a harmonious blend of mind, body, spirit, and the natural world around us. What do you think? Have you ever tried any Ayurvedic remedies or practices? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the science of life. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the world of wellness. Until next time, be well.